Question number 2. We need to find the partial sum of 10 terms. N value is 10, A value is 3, and R is 1.2 divided by 3, that is 0.4. The formula is Sn equal A 1 minus Rn over 1 minus R. So A value is 3 and 1 minus 0.4 to the power is 10 divided by 1 minus 0.4. So this is going to be S10 equal 3 times 1 minus 0.4 to the power 10 divided by this is going to be 0.6, and you will get the calculation as 4.999 approximately. Question number 3 is a straightforward question. A geometric series has a first term. First term is 5 and a common ratio R is given 2 over 3, and find S8. We need to find S8. So then N value is 8. So Sn equal A 1 minus R N over 1 minus R. So S8 equal A value is 5 and 1 minus R is 2 over 3 to the power 8 over 1 minus 2 to the 2 over 3. So this is going to be 5 1 minus 2 over 3 to the power 8. This is going to be 1 over 3. So this 3 go up. So in this case 15 times 1 over 2 over 3 to the power 8. So when you simplify, you should get 14.414 approximate answer. Question number 4. The sum of first 3 terms of a geometric series is 30.5. First term plus second term plus third term is 30.5, and first term is 8. So T1 or A usually we refer as 8. So then T2 plus T3 equal, and this is 8, 30.5. So T2 plus T3 equal 30.5 minus 8, that is 22.5. T2 mean, we know that Tn mean An minus 1. So likewise we can write T2 is A2 minus 1, which is 1, and T3 we can write AR3 minus 1, which is 2. So this is AR and this is AR2, and I can see that A is 8 now. So 8R plus 8R square equal 22.5, and so I can see this is a quadratic equation. 8R square plus 8R, I'll bring to the left side, 22.5 equals 0. I'll continue from here. I will turn this one 22.5 mean, that is 22 and half, 45 over 2. So I wrote as a fraction this one. Then 8 r square plus 8r equal 45 over 2. So I'll divide by 8 both sides. So divide by 8. So this is cancel out. R square plus r equal 45 over 16. Now I am completing the square. So I will add r square plus r. Half of this one is half. So I add uh, half square 1 over 4 for both sides. So then this is going to be half a plus half a square. And actually this is this is 16. 45 over 16. So 1 over 4, I will make the denominator same, multiplying by 4 by up denominator and numerator. So 4 over 16, that is 1 over 4, it's the same. Now this is become 49 over 45 plus 16. So this is 49 over 16. So then r plus half is square root 49 over 16, that is plus or minus 7 over 4. I'll come back to here. So r plus half equal plus or minus 7 over 4. So I'll match half r equal 2 over 4. I make the denominator same, equal plus or minus 7 over 4. So r equal, if it is plus over 7 over 4, then this is going to be minus 2 over 4. If it is minus 7 over 4, this is 1, and the other one, this one, minus 2 over 4. So from here 7 minus 2, 5 over 4. Here minus 7 minus 2, minus 9 over 4. So there are two options for r. So one is r is 5 over 4. The other one is minus 9 over 4. Question number 5. 3, 6, 12, 24. And we need to find the least term exceed the 1.5 million. So 3 plus 6 is 9. It's not exceed, two terms not exceed 1.5 million. And 3 terms, 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 12, 21. That is S3 also not exceed 21 million, 1.5 million. And let's say there is a term, M term. So we need to find a term. So when you get this up to that term, that is SM should be greater than 1.5 million. It means if you take the Tm minus 1, 1 before that, so Sm minus 1 up to addition up to Tm minus 1 is less than 1.5 million. And so we'll start assume Sm equal this point 1.5 million. Sm we can write, first of all we'll write what is the A value. A is 3, R is 12 divided by 6 is 2, and yeah, so Sm we can write A r n minus 1 over r minus 1 equal 15 million. So A value is 3, r is 2 to the power n minus 1 over 2 minus 1 equal 15 million. 2 minus 1 is 1, so 3 times 2 to the power n minus 1 equal 15 million. So we'll divide by 3 that one. Now this is 2n, this is 500,000, and this minus 1 to other plus 1, so 2 to the power n is this one. And now we have to bring this n down. The method we have to bring n down is introducing the logarithms. So log 10 base, so any base, if you we'll work with 10 base, so we don't write anything here. 2 to the power n is log 0, 0, 1. So n log 2 equal log and n is log over log 2. So n you will get a value approximately 18.9. Sorry, this is m. This is m. Right. So m you will get 18.9. Then when you get this tm, this m value is a whole number, or let's say integer, then it is equal to this one. Yeah, if this is a whole number, there is a term exist, and when you add these all the terms, then that is equal to 1.5 million. If this is a whole number, that then there is a number exit which will give to the 1.5 million. But now this is an integer, non-integer. Hence, when m equal 18.9, this is equal to 1.5 million. Mathematically, this is not wrong. The problem is, by definition, the term should be a integer. So because of that, we have to move to the next one, that is 19. So then definitely SM, when you consider S19, that is greater than 1.5 million. Question number 6, again the same type of sum. So 5, 4.5, 4.05, we want to find the least value that exceed 45. So assume there is a term Tm, so up to addition Tm is Sm, so Sm has to be greater than 45. So we want to find any value after Tm plus 1, yes. Sm plus 1, yes, definitely it is greater than 45 also, but we need the least value. Yeah, assume first of all A is 5, R is 4.5 divided by 5, that is 45 over 50. 9 over 10, that is 0.9. Yeah, we will use 0.9. Then assume SM equal 45, and we'll work out the cutoff point in what is this M value in the number line. So SM, since this is, I will use when 1 minus N over 1 minus R is M is 45. So A value is 5, 1 minus 0.9, M is M, and 1 minus 0.9 equal 45. So this is going to be 1 minus 0.9, 45 divided by 5, this cross multiply. This is 1 minus 0.9, that is 0.1. So we'll multiply by 0.1. So this is going to be 1 minus 0.9 M. This is 45 divided by 5, 9. 9 times 0.1, 0.9. So 1 minus 0.9 I'll bring to this one, and this is equal 0.9 times M. So this is going to be 0.1 equals 0.9 times M, or the other way around. I will write this one here and this one here. So then we'll apply logarithms. M log 0.9 equal log 0.1. M equal log 0.1 over log 0.9. So N value is, we will get approximately 21.85, and this is non-integer, so 21.85. Because of that, we have to move to 22. So when you consider, hence M equal 22. So S22 is greater than 45. Question number 7. Geometric series first term is 25, and R is given 3 over 5. Given that the sum up to K, the series is greater than 61. So basically, when you start with 25, then the next term 25 divided by 5, so that is 5. 5 times 3, 15. Likewise, the next, there is a term, let's say the K term. So when you add this K terms, that is SK, SK has to be greater than 61. So will the same way we'll assume SK equal 61, and we'll find the value of K first. So that is SK, I can write A times 1 minus RK over 1 minus R equals 61. So A value is 25. 1 minus R is 3 over 5 over K over 1 minus 3 over 5 equals 61, and 25 1 minus 3 over 5 k. This is 2 over 5 over 61. Now this is going to be 1 minus 3 over 5 k equal 61 multiplied by 2 over 5 divide by 25. I'll bring this one down. So 1 minus, actually this is like this, 3 over k, power k is 122 over 125. So 3k, I'll bring to other side. 1 minus 125 equal 3 over 5 to the power k. This is going to be 3 over 125 equal 3 to the power 5k. I'll change the side. This one 3k 5 over k equal 3 over 125. Now when we put logarithms, log 3 over 5k equal 3 log 3 over 125. So k log 3 over 5 equal log 3 over 125. So k equal logarithm 3 over 125 over log 3 over 5. When you get actually this is we have to show something. Actually this value should be equal to 0.24, and 3 divided by 5, 30 divided by, so log this is 0.6. Somehow now when we calculate this value is equal to 7.309. So this value is 7.309. Hence k has to be k value should be approximately 8. Hence k is greater than 7.301. Hence what is this value? This value means log 0.024 over log 0.6. Or you can get this approach, k equals 7.301. Hence k is a decimal. K is a decimal value. Hence k should be greater than 7.301. That is log 0.024 over log 0.6. If you want to rewrite log 0.024 over log 0.6. Hence part B, possible value is 8. So this is 7 point. The possible value is 8. Actually, there are more possible values, 9 and 10 as well. So you have to find the hence least possible value is 8.